So what's up, guys? Look, I had the intro of the video is going to be what it is, but I didn't have a lot of clips to record, in details or to explain how I actually did the whole thing. So I'm just going to give some kind of intro or like what you would expect, and then pardon me for not having much clips, but there was a reason for it anyways. So this is what happened. I've been very busy, but this is what I may have to pass your account, whatever. It is simple. I only do something very, very simple. I take a trade, I aim for 2.5 hour, you understand, 2.5 hour, and then I reach 3.2%. Because 3.2% times 2.5 hour is 8% in one sitting. Then I'm done. The account is passed. And then same thing. Once it's phase 2, I aim for 2%, I reach 2%, and then I aim for 2.5 hours, 5%, and then it's done. It's only when I get to final stage I start risking less. So now back to this thing. So that's what the video is going to be basically about. It's about me risking 3.2% to aim for 2.5 hour. Yes, you may say 2.5 hour risking 3.2%. The thing is, this thing is a game. At the end of the day, it's a game. You just have to be able to afford what you can lose and then trade and make more. It's only when you get to the funded stage you should risk as little as possible. Your goal is to get payout. I'm already on my 12th payout, so it's already proof enough. I'm already proof, as I've seen it as proof. So I think that is how it's gonna be. And I'm sorry for the background noises. My mic is the mic I've ordered is not yet here. Other things that I've ordered are not yet here, but still. So that's how the video is gonna be. Please do enjoy the video. Well, if you do enjoy the video, if you do enjoy the video, just please like and subscribe. Help us out. I'm just trying to, journal this whole thing. I didn't even want to show my face. I'm not gonna lie. I've never done this for on YouTube to show my face. I still don't like the idea. But anyways, that's basically it. So pardon the whole clip and enjoy the rest of the video. Maybe vibe to some nice music. So milkshake out. So we're back again on April 7th. Happy new month. I think I should have said it in the last video, but anyways, we're back again. This is what we have this week. Get it right here, TikTok. Let me focus this thing. Now we're back again for the third time. This is what we'll have this week. If we look at this, we'll have price here in this level. We did have this kind of movement downwards. Wait, let me use the writing tool. We had during NFP, see this move, and then we had the retracement back up into this other block here, and then we had the move downwards. Now at this level here, this is what I'm looking at, and then we saw price reacted straight up. Yes, I could have shorted, place a sell limit and start selling, but I could have sold from here and be expecting downward prices, but I want to be sure. You understand? I want this thing to be crisp before I will do anything. This is what we have on DXY, on dollar index. I'm thinking price may want to move up into this level. Let me show you this level here, and we potentially go above this level, and then we'll start looking to maybe go higher. So I'm thinking that's what I'm gonna work with this week. You understand? Then USD CHF is being a naughty little girl. This is what I'm waiting for. I don't know what it wants to do. We had this straight downwards, it gapped down, and then if dollar is going to be bullish, this market is most likely going to trade up, retrace, and then we'll look for something like that. So that's what I'm going to work with this week. Yes, USD JPY and KJPY, kind of let those pairs go. Let me just focus on these two pairs. I want to narrow down my focus a bit. So that's how it's going to be. But I think I'll look for an opportunity on Euro USD. Let me see. Yeah, I think I should have looked for an opportunity here. When price tried tap into this level, it didn't do, but it could have been an opportunity. Could have been something like this. almost get out of here. It would have been something like this. Bam, boop, 2.5 right here, and that would have been for the week. But we didn't tap into the level, so I just have to sit on my hands and do nothing. Wait for a new setup to form during this week. Just because I missed this one, it's not the end of the world. So that is gonna be it for now. So it's 12:02 p.m. Time flies on. That's gonna be it. So I will update. I will try to not be busy so that I can focus more on, or I can take record some of the videos, like have more clips. I think I want to do short and have recorded clips of the targets hitting. So now that is gonna be it for the 10th time. So guys, catch you back in the next clip. Yeah, that's what's so we're back again, and the time is currently 12:36 p.m. Tuesday, April 8th. So I took some trades. On my zones. I was expecting buys on what's it called? I was expecting buys on dollar. If you watched me long enough, this is our entry. Like, this is what I would have used for entry at this point. But in terms of using it on Euro USD, the pip is very, very massive. The pip is too massive. Yeah, it's almost 90 pips. Let me show you. Because my stop loss there's a rule to place. If I go 58 pips, I have to place my stop loss above a swing high or a swing low. So because of that, that's why I could not take this. I'm still waiting for an easier, smaller stop before I could trade. KJP, I have not traded it. I was expecting it to drop down again if I would buy, but now it goes now. KJP, I say KJP, here's the CHF. It has been all dinning in since. So I'm just waiting to see some kind of correct movement, because I wanted to enter this on the 1 hour time frame, but I decided to stick to my rule, and this is what my rule saved me from. I'm trading this one. This what's it called? NZD-USD. I placed a trade. If once the trade hit TP, it will be account passed on my 25k account. It will be account passed. No, not account. Phase 1 passed. So this is the phase 1 trade. Phase 1. No, let me leave it. So that is gonna be it for this. For today. We'll update to see how the trade goes later on. For now, just on the sidelines watching. Oh, let me even send it to my Telegram. I've forgotten. Okay, guys, I'm gonna go off now and do that on my PC. So talk to you later. So welcome back, guys. This is Thursday, 7:40 a.m. As you can see on the top left corner on the screen, this is CAD-JPY. Well, you can see it from down here, CAD-JPY, and also here on my highlight button here, CAD-JPY. So I've entered this trade. I'm looking for a buy to this level here. It's quite a very long profit target, but it is what it is. So I'm expecting a buy. If my target hits, it's gonna be phase 2. Phase 2 passed. I've passed phase 1 on my 25k, so it's gonna be phase 2 passed. Yeah. So I'm gonna share all this later on. So if market hits, we'll know what happens. There's CPI today. CPI. Get rid of all this. So there's CPI today, and then there's PPI tomorrow. So if we're lucky, CPI may just bless us. Anyways, so for now, that is gonna be it. And okay, let me talk about other pairs. Let me show you more other pairs. On USD, I didn't do anything. And I said USD was the trade I used to pass the first one. So USD CHF, I don't know why. I don't know why, but wait, let me get rid of this. I'm expecting a pull up. I don't know why. It just doesn't feel correct. Something like it feels like something is amiss here. So that's why I didn't trade this short. Same goes for euro. I didn't look to buy. It just doesn't. It's just not rhyming. I feel like this market wants to reverse, but I could be wrong either ways. You understand? I could be wrong, so that's it. I just left it. I can't put that. I really like the setup. Why? Because there's this break of market structure here for me that I usually do take. As you can see, break of market structure right there. Price then rallied up, closed above, dropped down into this level. So this level here. This level is a medication block to me. Understand? So that's why I place my entry. My stop loss is just below there and all those kind of things. So we could be in market could be in a good mood and rally from here all the way up to that level. So that's how it is. So anyways, that's how it's gonna be, guys, and talk to you later. Hey guys, I just want to say something real quick. I'm currently lying down. I'm just checking the trade. We were in profit for a while and then market came back. See, if we tap on it, $216 loss. Well, I do know that this trade is most likely going to take me out because I've familiarized myself with this kind of price movement. This is the part whereby market will do some kind of movement like it's giving you hope. Like, maybe there's an opportunity, there's a chance it's going to reverse. The moment you step out, like you exit from this place now to go and do your usual thing you're doing, that's when you will just see notification that price has stopped you at. This is that point. Like, I know it very, very well. I have been there a lot. So that's all I want to say. I think that this trade is going to be a loss. I was hoping I could really pass this account this week. Maybe there's still opportunity, but I highly doubt it. Anyways, that is it for now. Adios. Oh, let me even show you stuff. You see, 225k KJPY. This is the phase 2. So yeah, that's it. Funding pips, February challenge 2. I was the one who named it like that. You see that now, saying? So this is what I was trying to tell you. It's that point. I know it very well. I know it very, very well. Anyways, later.